So hello guys. In this lesson, we will learn the meaning and significance of the term homologous series to our study of organic chemistry. Now, a homologous series is a family of organic compounds with similar chemical properties and following a regular structural pattern in which each successive member differs by a CH2 group. Yes, I know that this definition appears long, but please stay with me. You see, just like I mentioned in an earlier lesson, organic compounds are so vast that we cannot possibly study all of them. For this reason, we have grouped organic compounds that bear similar properties into families. These families are what we call the homologous series. A good question now would be, what is the criterion for grouping organic compounds into homologous series? You do not need to ponder for long. Simply put, organic compounds with similar chemical properties are grouped into the same homologous series. Another question arises. How do we know organic compounds with similar chemical properties? This is also simple. We know this from the functional group present in the compound. It appears as though I just keep mentioning strange words, but just stay with me, alright? Now, a functional group is a bond, group of bonds, or group of atoms that is unique to the members of a particular homologous series, which determines the principal chemical properties of the members in that series. Basically, what I have said is that functional groups are certain groups or bonds that tell us the family that a particular organic compound belongs to. For example, whenever you see a triple bond in a hydrocarbon, you can immediately infer that the hydrocarbon belongs to the homologous series called alkynes. On the other hand, if you see an organic compound bearing the group COOH, you can immediately infer that the compound belongs to the homologous series called alkanoic acid. This is because the functional group of members of a homologous series determines their chemical behaviors. For example, because both methanol and ethanol are members of the alkanol family, they will both react with a metal like sodium to liberate hydrogen gas. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. In the next, we will further discuss the features to expect from members of the same homologous series. Until then, here is a summary of this lesson. A homologous series is a family of organic compounds with similar chemical properties and following a regular structural pattern, in which each successive member differs by a CH2 group. A functional group is a bond, group of bonds, or group of atoms that is unique to the members of a particular homologous series, which determines the principal chemical properties of the members in that series.